Stop throwing out smoke-damaged clothes. Professional restoration can save more than you think. Here's how. Most people think smoke damage ends with black walls and ruined ceilings. But the real trouble lingers. In your clothes, your bedding, even your kids' favorite stuffed animals. That smoky smell, it's not just annoying. Smoke particles actually sink deep into the fibers, causing odors, irritation, and long-term damage. Here's the good news. DIY washing usually doesn't cut it, but professional restoration can. At CRDN of Western St. Louis, Central and Southern Missouri, we use industry-grade cleaning and deodorization to safely remove stains, odors, and residue from your fabrics. We've helped families across Columbia, Missouri, save sentimental clothes and cherished heirlooms, items they thought were lost for good. Before you toss your belongings, call our team. Let's restore what matters most, together.